Hi, I am Pradeep Kumar and I am going to take you through this Fibaro home automation. So let's see how we are going to use this home automation effectively. First, from your tablet, find out where your icon is. In our tab it is right now it is here. The icon looks similar to this. Go press this one. So the home screen will exactly be like this. So once you go to this screen, hope you can able to see this home tab there. Okay, once when you tap this home tab, you could see home, rooms, energy, etc. There, go to room section. Once we go to this room section, you could see the list of rooms which we have already automated. This one is lobby, showroom, pantry, etc. Whereas in your case, it is something like entrance, living room, master bedroom, kids room, etc. So here I'm just going to take you through one of the rooms where I'm currently sitting. It is experience room here. Fine. So once when I go inside this experience room, you could see here what are all the devices which we have already automated in our experience room. So likewise, in your tablet you could see what are all the devices which has been automated in that particular room where you are in right now. I'll just take you through one of the thing where the dimmer exactly is. Here you could see color light, right? Likewise, in your tab you could see something called as dimmer. Though the UI going to be different, but the functionality is going to be similar. Fine. So if you could see, the light is bright now and I'm going to make it dim. I'm just making it dim, and accordingly you can able to see the light is almost getting dimmed. And likewise, if I want to make it bright, similarly what I have to do is scroll it to the extent of however I want. Can you able to see here? Slowly it's getting bright. Fine, now it is 100% bright. This is how a dimmer works. I will take you through how a blind works now. Just close this tab. You could see the blind section here, right? So in this blind section, you can, I'll just show you the blinds here is closed. The curtains are closed. I'm just going to open it. So if you could see, the curtain is automatically getting open. Similarly, if I want to close it, I'll be using the same function and I will try to close it now. This is how the home automation works exactly. Thank you very much. If you have any doubts, please reach to us. Thank you very much.